I'm Gina Amatangelo, and I'm a professor of practice in public administration and serve as the undergraduate program coordinator for the Public Administration and Policy program. I think our program is a great option for any student who wants to influence public policies about things like education, healthcare access, walkable neighborhoods, or affordable housing. So it's so fun for me to teach in this program and see how students are preparing to shape our communities for the better. For some students, that means going to work for local, state, or federal agencies. For other students, they're really interested in leading within the nonprofit sector, so they might be working with organizations that are helping high school students get registered to vote, or organizations that are running programs to help students read at grade level or run after-school programs. But the common thread is that students in our program want to serve and make the community stronger.
I would say what led to my decisions being made in wanting to study public administration and policy, nonprofit management, and civic engagement is just having the want to be in public service and wanting to help other people in need, especially in high school. I think it was really imperative for me to get hands-on experience with clubs, honor societies, and different things like that, to have that leadership experience and bring it into UTSA. And also, as well as the internships that I've had the opportunity to do, I've been an intern with the city manager's office at the downtown, with the communications and engagement office with the city of San Antonio, with workforce development with city of San Antonio. So it's been really important and imperative to myself to be able to get that leadership and expertise.
Our programs are deeply rooted in the local community, so students get to interact with local leaders in class, and then we have a range of partnerships through which students can intern and volunteer in our local community. We also have classes that take students on field trips to City Hall or different sites to look at topics around urban planning, and that helps students to see the whole city as their classroom.